Hi all, I'm going to show you how to make the half hexagon crochet piece. In order to finish off your blanket, I'll show you the edge here on this blanket. In order to finish it off and have a straight line. So here you can see is a full hexagon, and I already made a little video how to make this one, and now I'm making the half hexagon, which you can attach to the openings that are here. And I just sewed them together with the back loop, and then when I'm finished I go across with a slip stitch just to give it a pretty edge. So let's get started. This is the hexagon, which I've already shown you how to make, and then this is the half hexagon, which I'm going to show you today. What I'm using is just a cotton wool and a size 4 crochet hook. What I'm going to do is make a slip knot. And chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the first hole. So this is where we're going to work from. We're going to start by, let's see, making 3 edges of 2 double crochets. So into the circle, and I'm going to work in my tail. You'll see how. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the only time I'm going to use this as my double crochet. After this, I won't do that again. Then I put in my first double crochet. That is my first side. I chain 2, that's the corner. Then 2 more double crochet. That's your next side. Chain 2, that's the next corner, and then 2 more double crochet. 2 more double crochet, which gives you 3 edges of the hexagon. So the hexagon has 6 sides, and the half hexagon only has 1, 2, 3 sides. So that's why I'm showing you this, so you have an idea of what it's going to look like. So as we go from here, I'm going to chain 2 and ignore that. That is just my startup. Now I'm going to do 2 double crochet in the first, 2 double crochet in the first double crochet, 1 in the following one, 1 in the following one, and then 1 in our corner. And our corner is always going to be 1 double crochet, chain 2, 1 double crochet. What I want to show you here is that here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets. It's always going to be an even number, so that's easy to keep track of if you're doing it right. So now I already have my 1 double crochet in the corner, and I need 3 more to make it even. So 1 double crochet in the previous one, another double crochet, and we're already at the next corner where we do double crochet, double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. And now we're at our final edge where we're going to do a double crochet. This one's maybe a little hard to find. Double crochet, and we're going to do a second double crochet in that one, and then in that final chain 3, which is always hard to find, is 1 more double crochet. That's why I prefer not to use a chain 3 as a double crochet. I just don't like them. Okay, so that is already 2 rows. We're gonna chain 2, ignore that, and we're gonna do 2 double crochet in the first one. So 1, 2, 1, and 2, and then continue on with our double crochets. 3, 4, 5, and as we get to the corner, that's a 6. So we have an even number. So we have the corner is a double crochet, chain 2, and a double crochet. And here we're at our second side. And we're going to put a double crochet in each of these 4 double crochets, which will give us 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're at a corner, double crochet, chain 2, and another double crochet. Now we're at a third edge. We're going to double crochet, 1, 2, 3. We're going to make an extra one in that one. No, we're going to go, let me just count that again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I need to make one extra one to make it. Even number is 6. So chain 2 and turn, and here we go, and we'll make 8 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get to the corner, which is double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and then we double crochet in each of the next following ones. I think we're on a roll now, and I don't have to explain how this works further. But it's important to always increase the sides by 1 extra, because I will show you when you join it to the blanket, you need that extra stitch, otherwise it's going to be uneven. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to increase on this one, 7, and then the 8th. So there you have it. There's your double crochet. As you can see, I find this edge to be a little messy, so when I finally attach the piece to my blanket, that's why I slip stitched this, so that I get a prettier edge. So I'll just show you the blanket and how that attaches. So this here is my pink piece that I made before. And I'm gonna also show you how long to make the tail. So this is a pretty long tail, so I looped it here so I don't lose it. The tail has to be the length of where you're going to stitch it. It's like a blanket stitch, like that, and then enough to chain to the other side, and I do that by about tripling the yarn, and there you go. That's how you know how much you will need and where you need to cut to finish your blanket. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed, seeing how this works and that you love hexagons as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.